Guys, let's look into the Bronco and let's figure out and discover more about the Bronco. This is the ARB website introducing the ARB Bronco, which looks quite awesome. Let's take a look at it. I mean, it's fantastic. I mean, look at all the gear. Look at the V-lock tires. You got the a lot of protection here. This is just awesome. Let's discover what the Bronco is all about. Our Bronco. Take a look. This is fantastic. Now, ARB announces a strategic collaboration with Ford Motor Company to develop a full suite of premium aftermarket products for the all-new Ford Bronco. Now, for the last few years, ARB has been working hand in hand with Ford designers and engineers to ensure that each ARB accessory not only complements the Bronco heritage and performance, but is fully integrated into the original vehicle design. The strategic collaboration consists of ARB engineers and designers working together with their counterparts at Ford Motor Company, chassis structural design, roof load carrying, capacity suspension travel, snorkel, air intake, air system routing, fridge, freezer, wiring, and other salient details necessitated not only CAD, computer-aided drawings or drafting in vehicles, but more critically, access to the subject matter experts who made the new Bronco reality. The working relationship between Dearborn and Melbourne has driven a portfolio of innovative accessory solutions for the Bronco customers ready for vehicle launch. The full suite of the Bronco accessories from ARB will be available to new Bronco customers this summer through over 1,000 Ford dealerships and authorized ARB retailers throughout North America. Follow along on our journey from design, engineering, prototypes, and more. Check out the new products coming soon. ARB front bumper. Check it out. And also coming soon, and this is the rear bumper. And also coming soon, the rock sliders. Definitely need those. Get out and have some fun, folks. And then we have the ARB modular drawer system. Check it out. That looks sharp. Definitely coming soon. And then we have the differential covers. Oh, that looks sweet. That looks sweet. Now, designing products for the new Ford Bronco a world away. The ARB approach of designing and engineering aftermarket accessories is light years ahead of simply figuring out what fits. The accessories we build are designed to enhance vehicle performance, capability, and comfort. Finding that balance means working with the original equipment manufacturers to fully understand why they made the decision, including materials, weight, torque, balance, and so much more. I mean, take a look at that. That is sharp. Got the LED light bars. Definitely sharp. New drawer system. Definitely monumental. What a picture right here, folks. This is awesome. And you got the back end. And find an authorized dealer. And of course we'll go back up. We'll go back up to learn more. Because we wanted to figure out some more things. I think it said it right about here. Learn more. Our Bronco inspired design. Boy, that looks sweet. What a drawing. The ARB approach to designing and engineering aftermarket accessories is light years ahead of figuring out, this is what we just read earlier. Capabilities, comfort, finding the balance means working with the original equipment manufacturers and fully understand why they made the decisions, including materials, weight, torque, balance. Now, this is the first for Ford, and they should be credited for embracing the aftermarket, reaching out to partners like ARB. Now, there will be more products offerings and more availability to choose from. Let's see. These are some of the great drawings right here. Melding global 4WD heritage. Now, many automotive accessories companies will wait for a physical vehicle to begin fabricating products to make them fit a new application. Now, based in Melbourne, Australia, our team engineers were challenged to design and engineer products literally a world away from the vehicle itself. Now, the level of expertise has been built over decades, and those decades of experience shows through the product that we bring to the market. Is not enough to understand how a product will attach to a vehicle. Digital models, hand-built prototypes, complex logistics, and remote engineering teams a world away come together within our organization to bring the market customer-centric product and on the shelf, ready for installation when the Bronco rolls off the product line. Or must I say the production line. What fantastic drawings. Not having direct access to the vehicle requires them to draw on their legacy experiencing working on previous vehicles. For example, we know from familiar vehicles like the Ford Ranger, the Raptor, and the Everest what facilitates an easy fitment from product to car and what clearances are required. We also know that what looks good on the vehicle. It's fine to see it on the screen. You really need to see the person to account for the reflection of light and the way the product captures light. That's from John Stubbe, engineering team, lead in fabricated products. This is concept 2. What a nice drawing. This is the final concept. Wow. Fantastic. You guys, this is amazing. Straight up amazing. Let's go back. Let's go straight back. We're just experiencing a website, and experiencing this website with the viewers is just awesome. You can also go to location down here to find out where you live, find out where we'll be near you. You can also subscribe, put your zip code here, and just search. The same thing. This is just to motivate you to get on and get the popping. And I think we've already been to the design part, but let's go to the products. The full range. This is actually not the Bronco itself. We want to try to stick to the Bronco products. Let's see. I'm thinking. So we'll go to select your vehicle. And you put the selected down here. So if we hit select and we hit forward, and then we hit select a model, I don't see the Bronco here yet. So let's go back. Let's see why. Perhaps what we saw was it. So let's go back. Well, if we go back to let's just discover the Bronco. Well, they don't have the Bronco parts yet. That's what it appears to be. Because when we go to select your vehicle, and then we go down to the bottom, we type Ford, and then we go to select model, we don't see the Bronco anywhere. Oh boy. So, and then once, if they had it, so it's supposed to be coming this summer. Summer is already here. And if it's here, it should be here. Did I make a mistake? Vehicle application information. So we go to Ford. It's not here yet. But hey, I had to look into it, but I guess it's the future. Our products are coming. And as the Bronco comes off the shelf, the more parts will come off the shelf. But this is just what's coming soon. This is what you'll see. Not here yet, but I just had to go in here and fish with you guys. Thanks for coming with me, and thanks for looking at the ARB 4x4 accessories and just learning that it's in the making. A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for coming by. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day.